Hi, this is Joël Meyer. I am going to show you how to create the paws to go with the Dalmatian dog cap. Take the pattern of the paws and adapt it as needed to the size of your hands. Fold a piece of white felt in half. Pin the pattern to the felt and cut through both layers of felt. Repeat the same thing a second time for the second paw. Take one layer of felt from each paw and start by tracing the dog's claws on the rounded edge. Then draw outlines of spots all over. Paint inside the spots with black paint. When the paint is dry, put hot glue on the edge of the unpainted piece and then place the spotted layer on top. Be careful not to glue the short straight edge, otherwise you won't be able to put your hands in the paws. To print the document with illustrated instructions and patterns, click on the link below the video and visit the Animap Blitz website, where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects. Have fun and see you soon!